Hello, good morning everyone. This is Navy Woman. So we're going to update today guys our house building. So we're going to show you guys what is the improving today. So I just give you a small tour this small house that I gonna going to build. And now since the one of my skilled worker are done do well every angles bars there. Have you seen guys there? So they already finished earlier today. Finished here around here to welding the some rebars, angle bars, all bars. This one here. So now we are update him what he doing today. So let's go. Let's go here. Update here. They are already applying the pen. One of my worker they are applying the pen to the angle bar. We're gonna show you. Let's go. So he is applying the pen so that it can avoid the rusty. And that's the color is red. The color they are applying first outside before inside, because outside is really hard to do it. Outside is really hard to do it, applying the pen. But Kuya is working so hard. He keeps slowly uh you know step on it, his foot anywhere for safety. And there is two people's painting today. The other one is there. Yeah, he is applying also the painter. So hopefully today they will finish to put applying the red paint for the angle bars, the trusses, and everything on the roof before they are installing the roof soon. So maybe tomorrow they're going to arrive here, the roof that was ordered before. Um, so yeah, guys, and just gonna update you. So this area, wait, so this area is the toilet. Haven't finished it, but hopefully soon they can, going to finishing. I have I have 4 workers today, so which is 2 skills and the 2 is laborers today. So the 1 workers today is they are going to finishing the wall. So I'm gonna show you guys finishing the walls process. This one. So this one kuya is finishing this area. Since in my back it's already finished here. Yeah, they are going to finish it. But this science is going to put the socket. I think the socket the one. Yeah. And um yeah, so where I stand on from now, so this is the master bedroom of mine. Yeah, this is a master bedroom, this area. And that one is the toilet there. It's toilet. And that's facing on me there. As facing on me is a sliding, no, that's the window. There's the 2 window there. The big one window and the small window. So I just put the big one so that I can see the surroundings, the natures. It's very beautiful. And yes, so here I just show you here guys there is mixing the cements. It's this one. So this area I'm just gonna put here maybe my exercise equipment zone, this area, or I'm just gonna put first a table. And So yeah, she is mixing here. He is mixing here, guys. How's Kuya's mixing that one? So that she is mixing. This is manual mixing. We don't have the, what they call that one, the electric one, the mixer. What I mean, the mixer. We don't have a mixer, so he can do it a manual. So this area, guys, this behind me. Have you seen this one's my box? That is that is the sliding door, so that when I open up this one, I can see the beautiful nature behind me, and I can see the surroundings here. So around her, there's still a extension here. Extension, this one here haven't finished yet. So I can see my chickens around there. My Bob is there. Look, my Bob. So yeah, guys. So a little bit more. They're going to finish my building house. So hopefully this month, the roof is going to install, and yeah, no more rain come in my kitchen. I'm so excited to say that the process on it. And this is your host, Navy Woman. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.